Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to name your layers on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion app on your device. And once you open it up, you can open any of your recent projects or tap on the plus icon at the bottom to open up a new one. After opening your project and accessing your timeline, you will be able to start making your edit within your video. Now, if you wish to give a name to any layer, then to do this, first select that layer from the timeline menu by tapping on the right side of the eye icon. Once you tap on this, this will open up the rename menu as well as the edit options. If you wish to change the name of this layer, just tap on the name section at the top and you will be allowed to edit it. Just type in your desired layer name for this one and tap on the done button, and now you will see that the name that you have given is immediately applied to this layer. If you wish to change it in the future, you can once again click on the space at the right side of the eye icon and then change your layer name at any time you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to name your layers on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.